Today, we'll be drawing Alice from Fundamental Paper Education, a character surrounded by mystery. Start by drawing a V shape. Alice's jawline forms a broad V. Her neck is also V-shaped. In fact, most of this drawing consists of V-shapes, so follow along carefully. Now, let's draw her outfit. She wears a pinafore-style dress. Here's her sleeve. Everything is made up of geometric shapes. Now we're drawing the collar, sleeve, and button. Her outfit has two claw-like lines, so create two strokes from right to left and two from left to right to match her design. Next, let's move on to her hair. Alice has a slightly messy hairstyle, with ends that form multiple V-shapes, just like her jawline. Her hair has a rough, V-cut that makes her look even more intense. Here's an interesting fact. The rhombus symbol on Alice's right sleeve also appears on Oliver's shirt, hinting at a possible connection between them. What do you think it means? Let me know in the comments. I'm using my curvy scale to draw Alice's tiara. Follow my lines carefully. A tiara might look complicated, but it's actually very simple when broken down into basic shapes. You can even use the same technique when drawing Princess Jasmine's tiara. Now, let's draw her bow. Alice wears a bow on top of her head. Now, let's focus on her facial features. Alice has sharp, intense eyes, almost giving her a mean expression. Let's add a small smile. Her French bangs also follow a V-shape, just like her eyebrows. Next, let's add highlights to her hair. For her cheeks, draw two arcs to give a soft blush effect. I'm using my black pen to color in the bow. One of the coolest things about Alice's hairstyle is how certain strands stick out from the rest. To emphasize this, I'm shading the darker areas of her hair with my black pen. Did you know that Alice and Connor are the only characters in the paper universe who don't have paper variants? This makes them even more unique compared to the rest of the cast. I'm using a terracotta color to shade her hair. For now, I'm giving it a border outline and will color in the rest later. For her face, I'm using a skin tone colored pencil and dark pink for the blush on her cheeks. Her outfit starts with a violet base, and I'm layering navy blue on top to create shadows. To add even more depth, I'm applying a dark grayish-purple tone. Now, I'm completing her hair with a terracotta brown. For her tiara, I'm using dark brown to create shadows on her forehead and a black colored pencil for extra depth. As usual, I'm using my black marker pen to outline the entire drawing. You can also use oil pastels to color the whole image if you prefer. She's such a mysterious character, and her connections with Oliver, Kevin, and Aiden make her even more fascinating. What do you think of Alice's design? Let me know in the comments. And that's it, Alice is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you soon in my next one. Bye for now.